Welcome everyone to our pick for April 8th, 2014. We're looking at long Generac holdings. GNRC is the ticker symbol. Take a look at the proprietary risk reward. We're coming in at a 5 based on the proprietary Tradespoon rating system, and taking a look at the value momentum rating, we're coming in at a 7. Basically, analysis reports that we make available that explain not only the value momentum and risk reward scores, but it also gives you technical and fundamental content as well. Taking a look at the price action and option action in a GNRC, we have closing price at 56.38 off of the 52-week high of 62.50 and the 52-week low of 32.41. Looking at the IV percentile rank, it's coming in at 85%, so it's basically, this means that the implied volatility right now is 85% higher than the 52-week low. We're also looking at the return on capital for the spread strategy at 40%, the probability of success of that strategy at 50%, and the estimated being calculated as of right now at 550, and that's going into the May 17th expiration. Taking a look at the stock trade, we have buy stock, ticker symbol G, and we're looking to get in an entry price of $56.30 or 38 cents or better. Now, if we're filled at that price, we are going to be putting in an order $6.20 higher to take profits, so right around $62.58, and we're going to have that sell to close at that level, good until cancel. We will put a sell stop below that. That will be $6.20 below, so we're looking at roughly $50.18 as our sell stop, and we will cut our losses. And as always, use prudent size management, no more than 1 to 3% of the percentage buying power available. Now, taking a look at the long call, we're going to be buying the May $55 calls, and we're going to pay a limit price of $3.80 or better. If we were filled at $3.80 or better, we're going to put a price target above the market to take profits, specifically $3.80 above that market price that we paid. And so we're roughly going to get out at around $7.40. Also willing to risk the $3.80 debit that we're putting into the position, so use prudent size management. Again, no more than 1 to 3% of the percentage buying power available. The option spread strategy, we're looking at what's called a bull put spread. We would sell the $5 puts and receive a credit of $2.45. Now, we're going to put an insurance policy down below just in case the market does start to trend against us. And we're going to buy one of the May $50 puts at 95 cents against the sale of one of the $55 puts in May. That means that our net credit is going to be $1.50. Our max risk is going to be the difference between the strike prices minus the premium received, which is that $1.50. So our max risk is $3.50 per spread. And again, it's prudent size management, no more than 1 to 3% of the portfolio buying power available at the time of the trade, and that is based on a $3.50 max loss. As always, please use our virtual trade here at Tradespoon to check out any one of these new strategies, whether you're new with the service or you're new to this strategy. Taking a look at the stock background and analysis, we see that the chart has been in a range basically for the last few months, so we're going to keep an eye on that. And we're also looking for both the technical and fundamental, as well as any binary events that are out there like earnings. And we have earnings during the expiration cycle. Specifically on 5/1, it is scheduled to have earnings, so that is an event that we want to keep an eye on, and that does explain why we have that heightened vol percentile rank. For news and commentary, you can click right here, and you can see the most pertinent news and commentary coming out at the time of the pick. Well, folks, that is the pick for April 8th, 2014, long Generac holdings, ticker symbol GNRC. And as always, if you need any help, email us at info@tradespoon.com. All right, that's it for today. We will see